Ready? Generous amount of the, not generous, but decent amount of the herbs.
Yum.
I don't like too much. I mean, definitely on the chicken. So not really. I did a lot on the steak. Sorry, soul food seasoning. This generous amount. My favorite seasoning.
Then he ran again and did it again. So then we all supposed to run. Mayo, what you gonna do, buddy? Mayo.
Just wanna eat. It's smelling good.
I'm going to cut up the steak when it's done. I got some salt on the steak. Alright, I'm going to flip it because I don't want it to burn.
I'll get you flipping.
I'm going to get all this and then I'm going to sauce it.
Ooh,
Okay, this is like a little bit charred, but this is how I like
they
it.
look delicious.
Deliciously charred. I'm going to sauce all this. Ribeye, fillets, wings. Everything's getting sauced.
Happy Easter, everyone.
You okay, big guy?
Mashed potatoes. Delicious.